Hello students, as in the morning we had a discussion, live interaction regarding some questions or doubts, whatever we have. So as many students they ask regarding the what is the Monera groups, what are the resting spores, what are the cyanobacteria, all these things. Now as last time we had a discussion regarding the what are the 5 different kingdoms. As we know, the 5 kingdoms: Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae and Animalia. So these are the 5 different kingdoms. So based on their body structure and the functions, last time I told you that it has been divided or classified. So today we are going to discuss about the first group, that is Monera. As in the morning I said, in this group all bacteria are included. So in Monera, what is exact it is? In this group, they do not have well-defined nucleus or the organelles. As I said, in this group, they do not have well-defined nucleus. That means they do not have the nuclear membrane around the nucleus. They do not have the well-defined nucleus or organelles. They are less defined or developed as compared to the other organisms, or they do not show as body design as the multicellular organism have. As they do not have a well defined nucleus, that means their body design is very simple as compared to the multicellular organism. So this is the second characteristics or the feature of Monera group. But this shows the more diversity. For example, if we take the soil sample from any places of the garden or somewhere. So if we want to isolate the bacteria from these soils, so we need like a petri all these things. So you may have a number of colonies on the surface of the plates, but all these colonies, they will have the different feature and the structure from each other. We cannot say that if we have taken the one sample from a particular place, so all bacterial colonies or the organism will have the same groups. No, it is not possible. It may have a different kind of features or the characteristics from a one sample. That means this shows most diversity group in the Monera group. The most diversity organisms in the Monera groups. Now, some organisms they have a cell wall, and some organisms they do not have a cell wall. So this is the 4 characteristics or the features which included under the Monera groups. That means few of the organisms they show the cell wall, and few of they do not have the cell wall. As I said, some organisms they have the potential, they have the capacity to develop or produce their own food. That organism is called as a autotrophic organism, and those organisms who do not have the potential capacity to produce or develop the foods, that organism is called as a heterotrophics. Means in this Monera group, both kind of organisms are available. Autotrophic as well as the heterotrophic. Heterotrophic means the organism which synthesize their own food, and the heterotrophic means the organism which do not synthesize their own food. That means they are dependent on the other organisms. So these are the next characters or the features of the Monera groups. Now, as in the morning, many students they ask me what is meant by resting pore, what is meant by cyanobacteria. So the examples in these groups are bacteria. As I said, if we isolate the bacterial colonies from a single sample, the colonies may show different kind of genera or a different kind of bacteria. We cannot say that only one type of organism will isolate from a single sample. It may have a 100 types, it may have 50 types. It depends on how the diversity is developed in a particular place. So examples of these monomer groups are bacteria. Any kind of bacteria comes under the monomer groups. Then blue green algae, that is also called as a cyanobacteria. Blue green algae. If you want to see the example in the form of figure here, so this is the typical structure of the bacteria. This is the bacteria. This is a short rod shape or elongated shape of the bacterial spores. Some bacteria shows in a coccoid form, means in a groove form. Some organisms they show the elongated form. Some organisms they show the spores like a short rod shape. Short rod shapes. No need to go into detail, but these are some examples of different kind of bacteria. So this is a typical figure of bacteria which comes under the monomer groups. This is the example of cyanobacteria, that is blue green algae. So this is a resting pore. These resting pores have the potential capacity to maintain itself for a longer duration. For example, if this resting pore detached or separate from a parent one, if the resting pores comes in contact with a favorable condition, that means optimum temperature, optimum humidity, optimum water, at that time these pores again will germinate and again will develop the parent body. That particular duration is called as a dormancy period. In the morning I already explained you about what is the function of the resting pore. So this is the explanation of Monera groups. So similar wise we will see one by one what are the protista, what are the fungi, what are the planty groups, and what are the animalia groups. So depending, as we have said, depending upon their body structure and function, the scientist has been classified into 5 different kingdoms. That is Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia. Regarding this group, if you have any question or doubt, text me on my personal WhatsApp number, so I will reply you. Thank you.